Hola amigos, bien o no, y saludos desde Inglaterra. Hoy el tema es sonidos corto y sonidos más largo. So the theme of the day is short sounds and longer sounds. This is something to look at when you're listening to people speaking in English, to be conscious of when you're using a shorter sound or the longer sound. Because sometimes you can end up using the wrong length of sound, if you like, and it has a very different sound in the way that we hear the word. We may misunderstand the word you're saying because you've used a shorter sound instead of a longer sound. So let's think about this with the TH sound. This is a slightly longer sound, the, whereas the sound T, the T sound, is actually quite short. So if you say things like this, these, those, they, the TH part is quite a long part of the sound. The D sound, D, as in did, don't. The D sound is quite short, like the T sound. But if you get these around the wrong way, and you say the TH in a short way, you can end up saying something like this did, this did. Because if you make the TH too short, it sounds like a D. This did. Whereas really it's this did. Think about it. When you're reading, when you're practicing reading, be careful that you're using longer sounds or shorter sounds. Make sure you can hear the difference, because this makes a big impact on how well you're understood. So look at that as an example. This did. Try it. See how you get on. Déjame saber, como siempre, en los comentarios. But for now, we'll say cheerio.